Conditional formatting. Conditional formatting sets a cell format according to conditions that we specify. Using this option, we can change the font color, styling, etc. of the data in the selected cells. It is easy to highlight certain values or make particular cells easy to identify. To apply conditional formatting to our data, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the cells on which we want to apply the conditional formatting. Step 2. Under Home tab, click on the Conditional Formatting command in the Styles group. A drop-down list will appear with different options like Highlight Cells Rules. This option is used when we want to highlight all the cells satisfying a given condition. Top or Bottom Rules. This option is used when we want to highlight some top or bottom number of items in a data series. Data Bars. This option is used when we want to add data bars, resemble like bar graph, to the cells having numeric data. Color Scales. This option is used when we want to add color schemes to all selected cells, slowly varying from top to bottom items. Icon Sets. This option is used when we want to add specific icon to each cell to show which cells are acceptable, which are moderate, and which need attention. Step 3. Select the desired conditional formatting option from the list. Here, we are using the less than rule under the Highlight Cells rules, where we are specifying the condition salary less than 60,000. Now, the selected conditional formatting is applied to the selected cell range. Charts. A chart is a graphical representation of data in worksheet. It helps to provide a better understanding of large quantities of data. Charts make it easier to draw comparisons and see growth, relationship among the values, and trends in data. Excel allows us to use the data entered in a worksheet to create a chart. We can place the chart either as a separate worksheet or embedded it in the same worksheet that contains the data. Chart is updated automatically with the change in data. Elements of charts. A chart comprises of various elements. Let us discuss these elements in detail. X-axis. It is the horizontal axis of the chart on which category is represented. Y-axis. It is the vertical axis of the chart along which the values are plotted. It is also known as series or rank axis. Axis titles. These are the headings given to the X-axis and the Y-axis. Chart title. A descriptive text that appears at the top of the chart to tell what the chart is all about. Data labels. It includes data values, category name, series name, legend keys, and values from cells. Data table. It is the table containing the values for each data series, usually displayed below the chart. Errors. Error bars are graphical representation of the variability of data and used on graphs to indicate the error or uncertainty in a reported measurement. Grid lines. These are the parallel lines along the X-axis and Y-axis in the plot area. These lines make it easier to identify the value of each data point on the chart. Legend. These are used to identify each data series plotted in the chart uniquely with a different color or pattern. Trend lines. These are the horizontal or the vertical lines in a plot area. These lines make it easier to identify the value of each data point on